Okay class, today we will be doing civics. So what does our Second Amendment to our Constitution say? Yes, Memmy.
Is it the right to?
Hang on just a minute.
Attention all staff and students of Storms with Bluesville High. Please disregard the incoming fire alarm test. This is only a test.
What, a fire alarm test? No, I don't want to hear it. I hate the fire alarms, they are so loud and scary. Why?
Shut up, Devin. I am so tired of your nonsense. You better behave during this test if the fire alarm system, or you will be sent to Vice Principal Soda's office. Anyways class, let's go back to our civics question. To where the— No, come on. Can I not be interrupted by something?
Let me out of here. Let me out. Bam 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 bam. Why?
Devin, shut your mouth right now, or you will be sent to the office.
No, you stupid creature, AJKDJXJJX, yay.
That's it, Devin. You blew it. Once the fire alarm shuts off, you will be sent to the assistant principal's office.
Shut that fire alarm off. Why?
Yay, hallelujah.
Devin, you disgrace of a student, go to the vice principal's office right now. You also made my voice change. That's it, Devin. Proceed out of my classroom now.
So Devin, why are you here?
I was acting up during the fire alarm test.
Devin, how dare you act up during the fire alarm test? That's it. You are suspended for 3 days. Now go home right now.
Devin Lucas Carlisle, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go upstairs to your room now.
Why?